Go ahead, Sachin. Sachin, now you can speak.
Good morning, sir. Under section 6A, an individual is said to be resident in India in any previous year if he satisfies one any following condition.
Read नहीं
He has
करना है. Don't see and read. That is why I put it on speaker view. Read नहीं करना है. ऐसे ही बोलना है, without reading. Anyone else who can try or who wants to try? Who wants to try? Someone? So this is what we are lacking. I hope, Sachin, you have created your logbook, assignment book also. Can you show to the student at large? All students, let us see how the assignment book to be maintained. Yeah, not first page. Can you show us first page, please? Where you must have written your name. Very nice, very nice. First page, index wala. Yeah, other than your roll number. Very good, Vika. I'm very happy. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So this is how other students also should start maintaining their assignment book. And any point of time, I may check your assignment and I may give you the mark. So I think the previous all things has been already taken care. That is already been given as an assignment. So today onwards, we'll be having our journey towards learning of residential status, as Sachin has rightly stated to all of us. Thereby, we have following condition for an individual SSC, which is there in section 6 subsection 1. Section 6 subsection 1 clause A states any individual SSC, if they are there in India for 182 days or more during previous year, they'll be resident. What do you mean by 182 days? See, basically we know our entire financial year is of how many days? कितने दिन का होगा financial year? 365
days.
तो उसका half करेंगे तो if we'll do the 50% of that, how much will get? 365 का half. What will be the half of 365 days?
182.
182.5.
Yes, 182.5. 0.5 का days में तो कुछ possibilities नहीं है. So that is why 182 days we are considering. So at least half of the year, if you are there in India, you will be directly resident. Okay.
Sir,
yes, Sachin.
सर लेट डाउन मतलब क्या होता है?
Let down means लिखना. To be written, to be prescribed. This is a legal language. Okay. So if they are there in India for 182 days, means for half of the year, automatically they'll be resident in India. Okay. If not half of the year, at least 60 days in previous year. Okay. And that is there in section 6 subsection 1 clause B subclause 1. Section 6 subsection 1 clause B subclause 1. At least 60 days in previous year and 365 days in preceding 4 previous year. Okay, that and wala condition is there under section 6 subsection 1 clause B subclause 2. So if you write like this, nobody can deduct single marks. Why? Because you are referring section, you are referring subsection, you are referring clauses, you are referring subclauses. So you are absolutely right. No one can deduct single marks. Clear? Hai? These will make you resident to India. I told you, your fees is also not charged only that you are student. Then also we need to decide which student, which course student. Yes or no? Similarly, after resident, we need to check whether they are ordinary resident, whether they are non-ordinary resident, whether now this year there is a new provision, and I expect you to go and check because that will be applicable from the assessment year 21-22. So right now I'm going to give you the 20 minutes ka break. I want after that you should come up with those new provisions which you will learn. Okay? So that is a new thing, and that's why nobody wants to take up the taxation. Why? Because every year there is a new provision, new amendment, new changes, and you have to upgrade yourself according to that. Understood? But that's very interesting because see, once we upgrading, that means we are going to apply those logics for our own purpose. Suppose if we are filing our own returns, if we are doing for ourselves, so the same thing can be applicable. So it's not, we should always accept those challenges. Then for ordinary, non-ordinary, we need to follow section 6, subsection 6. Okay. So section 6, subsection 6, clause A, at least 2 times resident in 10 preceding previous year and 730 days or more in 7 preceding previous year. Clear? Will make you whether you are resident, whether you are ordinary resident or non-ordinary resident. Now today we'll be going to take it up few questions, and as I told you, this is how the provisions are. Okay, so we are referring section 6 of Income Tax Act 1961. We are referring for basic condition section 6 subsection 1, which is resident and ordinary. I hope this condition you must have written during last lecture.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we are going to apply it for the questions. So section 6 subsection 1 clause A, stay in India for 182 days in or more in previous year. Section 6 subsection 1 clause B subclause 1, stay in India during previous year 60 days or more and 365 days or more in preceding 4 previous years. So our previous year is what? What is our previous year? Please let me know.
April 2020.
Sorry?
31st March.
Abhi now, oh, yes, chalega.
First
But now, don't tell me from 1st April to 31st, just tell me the year. That is enough for me.
2021.
Absolutely.
19.
Right. So 20, no, 2021.
2020 to
2021.
2021.
Yes,
Yes.
2021 is your previous year. So you exclude that 2021 and preceding 4 previous years. These 4 previous years you have to consider. 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19 and 19, 20. See, 4 aa raha hai. This 4 preceding previous year, they should be 365 days or more. Will make them resident. Either this or this. Once resident, then we will go further. One student, we will go further one step. Okay, whether they are science student, commerce student, because then only we can charge, no? And this all we are doing to charge their income. So basically, this is going to make their scope of total income, which is a part of the same chapter. Which income will be taxable? How much will be taxable? so on and so forth. Indian income will be taxable, foreign income will be taxable, deemed income will be taxable, deemed to be received income will be taxable, etc., etc., which we will be learning, don't worry. That is a part of this chapter only. And question is asked on both. So section 6, subsection 6, clause A states that 2 times resident in 10 preceding previous year. Again, preceding previous year means you have to exclude your previous year. And which will be 10 preceding previous? This 10 preceding previous year. Okay? 2010-11 to 2019-20. Clear? 2 times if you are becoming resident, 1 condition you have satisfied. And that means both the condition you need to satisfy. Okay? What is the and condition? Which is there under section 6, subsection 6, clause B. Just now I told you. Okay? 730 days or more in preceding 7 previous years. So 3 exclude kar do. This 7. 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, and 19, 20. This 7 preceding previous year, you should be in India for 730 days or if both these conditions are satisfied, then you will be ordinary resident. Otherwise, you will not be ordinarily resident. Clear hai?
NRI ना?
NRI यहीं पे हो जाएगा. Non-resident. Once resident, then NRI की जरूरत नहीं है. See here. See, this is either resident or non-resident. So non-resident means NRI. यहीं पे हो जाता है. So that means if you are not satisfying any of this condition, you are NRI. Clear है? This is only for them who are resident. Once resident, then only we can go for ordinarily resident or non-ordinarily resident. Okay. So either you are student or you are not student. If you are student, you are liable to pay fee. If you are not a student, you will not be liable to pay fee. Try to understand with this example. So either you are a student or not student. You will pay the fees only for this academic year. Clear है? 21-22. उसके बाद भरेंगे क्या? नहीं भरेंगे. Okay. And जो कॉलेज में आता है हर कोई फीस भरता है क्या? नहीं भरता है. आपके फ्रेंड्स आते हैं, आपके पेरेंट्स आते हैं. Only the students are chargeable. Only the students are liable to pay fees. Okay. But again, एक बार आप स्टूडेंट बन गए तो आपको क्या ढूंढना पड़ता है हमें? भाई ये बीकॉम का है, बीएफएम का है, बीएमएस का है, बैफ का है. तो उसके बाद स्टूडेंट के बाद फर्दर हमको ढूंढना है whether ordinarily resident or non-ordinarily. Clear है? So now based on this, we will be taking bridge course material ka question number 1. So I'll go to the bridge course material. Yeah. This is my question number 1. This question says, Mr. Brett Lee, a person of Australian cricketer who comes to India 100 days every year. What is his residential status for assessment year 21-22? So every question will be like this only. Or see Mr. Jain. अभी क्या दिया है? All the years, how many days, some year 15 99 days, 110 days, ऐसे ही questions रहेंगे अभी. Okay? So now let us deal with this question. So bridge course material, question number 1, solution. Now you will be solving along with me. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first and foremost, you all write this condition, entire table, keep these 2 column blank. Okay? Condition
Yes,
for
sir.
ऐसा ही लिखना है आपके नोटबुक में. और हेडिंग क्या देना है? सॉल्यूशन नंबर 1, ब्रिज कोर्स मटेरियल. All of you kindly finish. इतना पार्ट लिखना है. On the same assignment book, and now see, you should not make any delay because I am going to give you lot of homework. If you do like this, I will do now, I will take the screenshot, then I will show to the sir. मर जाओगे मेरे चक्कर में. I am telling you the truth. You have to with my pace. Okay, and once my fundamental is clear, my pace is very high. Because I want to cover almost all type of questions. I believe in lot of practice and lot of homework. Because my target is 100 marks. I don't want to lose a single mark. You will not find this kind of things has been explained in any of the textbooks. They never refer the section, subsection, clause, subclause. I do. Because I want in this type of question also students should not miss single mark. बच्चों को उस पे भी मार्क्स मिलना ही चाहिए. Am I very clear to you all? Vipul, start writing. Jyoti, you are not writing. Sachin is writing. Rupi is writing. Pankaj, your video mode is off. Divya is just roaming here and there, not writing. Hemangi is writing. Vidhi is writing. Kismat is writing. Poonam is also writing. Harshita is also writing. I think we met, no, Kismat, that day. It was you only, na? Challenger. Who was that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Vidhi is writing. Shruti is writing now. Shita is also writing. Anjali is writing. Falguni is writing. Yes, Anu मुझे चाहिए थी. Very good. He is one of the attentive students. He is also writing. Ritesh, कुठे आहे तुम्ही?
यस सर. सर आज एक्चुअली मैं एक फ्रेंड के घर पे, वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, फेसबुक वगैरह नहीं है. सॉरी सर आज के लिए.
इसके लिए वीडियो बंद करके रखे थे. आपको क्या लगा सर भूल जाएंगे आपको?
नहीं सर, वीडियो तो चालू है मेरा. लाइक वो मैसेज आ रहा था एक, तो मैसेज को मतलब साइड में कर रहा था.
Rehan is also writing. Remaining student is out of my range. Dipti, Umesh, Riya, Vishnu, Susmita. I can't help them until unless they are going to help me. It's up to them. I think Sachin has completed, Kismat has completed, others are writing still. Just put your thumbs up once it is done. It will be going to get me an idea to proceed further. When Joshi has finished, Harshita completed, very nice. I believe Anu must have done it. Rest all are writing. Even Vipul has completed. So now as only 6 minutes left, so let me start solving this also. So you must be knowing they have given that every year he is coming for 100 days. So after that, either on the same page, if you have a space, you can write a working note, or after this condition, you can write the working note. Choice is yours. Okay. So these are the provisions, these are the conditions. Then the second part is working note. And as per the working note, what is given? Every year he was there in India for 100 days. Clear? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you also write the same. Do the working note. Put it as 100 days. And fast लिखने का 10, 11. Working note is working note. Huh? That's not main answer. तो उस पे ज़्यादा time waste नहीं करना है आपने. Okay. Now with this working note, I will try to fit my condition. I want to check my condition. I want to see whether these conditions are satisfied or not. Okay. So are you ready with this working note? Can I proceed further, dear children?
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Thank you very much. So then I will check. How many days in previous year? 100 days. Yes or no? What was my previous year? 2021. How many days he was there in India? 100 days.
100.
100 days is more than 182 days or less than 182 days?
More
Less
than.
than 182 days. Less.
less than
भाई मैं तेरे को प्रणाम करता हूँ अभी सुबह सुबह.
सर लेस देन ही होगा ना
ए सचिन बोल रहा है ना more than. Okay. It is less than 182 days. So this condition is satisfied or not?
Not satisfied.
Not satisfied. कितना इजी हो गया देखो अभी हमारा पूरा आंसर. Okay. Then okay. Section 6 subsection 1 clause A not satisfied. Let it be. Now I'll go for section. I hope this table is ready with you all. I'll go for section 6.
Yes, sir.
I have option. Okay. So now I'm going to go for section 6 subsection 1 clause B subclause 1. There again I will check. How many days in previous year?
100.
Yes, I'm going to write 100. 100 days in previous year. Now this 100 days is less than 60 days or more than 60 days?
More than 60 days.
More.
अभी तुम लोग को ना एक एक झापड़ दूंगा. 5 बार देखने का फिर एक बार बोलने का. कोई 100 को लेस बोलता है, कोई मोर बोलता है. तुम लोग को नर्सरी में बिठाऊंगा अभी अपने बच्चे के साथ. पढ़ो 100 is more or 60 से less. So it is more than 60 days. Don't laugh. ठीक है, नर्सरी के बच्चे को पता रहता है 100 is more than 60 or less than 60. So now it is condition 6 subsection 6 clause A B section 6 subsection 1 clause B subclause 1. Condition satisfied or not?
Satisfied. Satisfied.
आज तुम लोग क्लास में रहता, इतना मारता ना तुम लोग को तो अक्ल ठिकाने आती. देखो गर्ल्स आर मोर एक्यूरेट एज कंपेयर टू बॉयज. उन लोग सोच समझ के सटीक आंसर देते, ये लोग हड़बड़ी में कुछ भी बोल डालते गधे लोग. So it is satisfied and this condition is fulfilled. Okay. Then I'll go for next condition. What is the next condition? Preceding 4 previous year. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many days? देखो आ रहा है. 4 का count is how much?
400.
400.
So this condition is satisfied.
Satisfied.
Yes.
Satisfied.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This condition is also satisfied. So now tell me, not with this, but this condition, he will be resident to India for assessment year 21-22. Don't write. We do not have much time. We will come again. We will do this question. You want me to continue this session?
Yes, sir.
Or you
Yes, sir.
continue means
Yes, sir. Yes,
after
sir.
this
Yes,
again,
Yes.
you have to sit for 40 minutes. Immediately.
No, sir. Continue.
Continue, sir. Yes, sir. Continue.
I continue.
So then let the things get over. Immediately we will come again and will continue with this. The login ID password will remain same.
Okay, sir.
The login ID and password will remain same. The login ID and password will remain same. Kindly update in your class group because I don't have mobile. I am sitting only with laptop. So please intimate them. The login ID